That's how it look when you spend your money, man. LED the whole front out. Daytime running lights and all. LED halos around the lights. If I wanted to do a light show. Y'all see it? Next step would be the back. We'll do the back next. Sequential LEDs. Turning signals. I like that shit. So yeah, the tail lights will be next. Everything in the front is LED'd up. Even my side markers on the car is LED. Yeah, that's a LED up in there. My reverse lights, they LED, but next will be those right there. We got a LED the back, the tails. And that's just with the daytime running lights on, headlights out.